You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. For many Americans approaching retirement, Italy represents something increasingly rare in modern life. Time. Time to walk through quiet streets in the morning. Time to sit in a market and watch the rhythm of the day unfold. Time to enjoy long dinners with friends and neighbors. Retirement in Italy is not simply about relocating, it's about redesigning daily life. Many Americans moving overseas discover that the Italian lifestyle offers a slower pace, combined with deep cultural richness. Small towns across Tuscany or Sicily offer walkable communities, strong social connections, and living costs often lower than those in the major U.S. cities. For retirees seeking a cultural reset rather than just financial advantages, Italy becomes incredibly appealing. When Americans start planning this transition, one of the most logistical questions is how to move an entire household overseas. Many retirees are bringing furniture and dining sets, artwork and collectibles, books and personal archives, family heirlooms, sometimes even a vehicle. That is where experienced international movers become essential. Understanding how international shipping works early in the planning process helps retirees avoid delays, taxes, and unexpected complications later. If you're exploring the process of relocating overseas, you can begin by reviewing how a professional international moving company coordinates global relocations. You can find that on our website. Moving overseas should feel exciting, not overwhelming. With the right plan and the right guidance, your transition to Italy can begin smoothly over the very first step. Are you ready to start your move to Italy? Our team is here with packing, shipping, customs, coordination, and door-to-door delivery. You can give us a call or check out our website for expert guidance and to begin your international relocation.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.